This is your friend. You are Zahira. What's your school, Puta? E. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Today we are going for a very important part called logarithm. Today I didn't bring tutes. Last week you got the tutes, right? That you got the tutes, right? Last week. Last week I didn't give you a file. Yeah. I will give you the files. I gave you a file, no, Puta? Yeah. But you didn't bring the tute today. Right. At least you got grade 11 book, textbook. That was not there. And you have the grade 11 textbook? No, right. Actually, we don't want the grade 11 textbook. Tute is enough, right? But today you want that, at least you have a log table. Log table. That log table is there. Any other log table? You have one log table, you got one, you got one. Three log tables are there, right? Anyhow. No, log table will be there in the tute. The tute itself, the log table is there, right? Okay. Is there, right? Log table. Right, at least we'll share and do this because today our target is how to do the logarithm question. It's a very, very important part we have to discuss today. May slowly we'll develop those things and go. First of all, we'll discuss these two questions. After that, we'll go to the lesson. All right. Now the first thing, right? If find x squared plus y squared if x plus y is equal to 5 and x into y is equal to minus 6. Right. Now let's see this. But under x squared, if you want to do this, what should you do? You have to take this x plus y equal 5. And what you have to do, you have to put squares in both the sides like this. You have to put squares. After writing squares, you have to remove this bracket. It means this is a binomial expression. You have to remove the binomial expression. How can you remove the binomial expression? Yeah, you have to, right? You can do like this. You can there should be three terms here. If you break x plus y squared, I will write separately. Right? There should be three terms. At least remember this. If you don't, at least remember now. Okay, if you remove a bracket like this square, there should be three terms. What should you write in the first box, Puta? Whatever the letter is in the first one, what is the x? No? And a square ek. Right? That one square. What is here y? No? Then write y square. In the middle one, you write x, y, and 2. X into y into 2. Write like this. So when you write like this, Puta, you get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared KL. You get this value. Then write it here, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to 25. Send the plus 2xy to other side. So you get x squared plus y squared is equal 25 minus 2xy. What is xy? Xy mean minus 6. Then we can write like this. 25 minus 2 times xy. This xy is minus 6. Okay, carefully see this. So I can write 25 minus 2 times this xy value is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6 is how much? Plus 12. Then I can write like this, Puta. Finally, this value for this one. I can write like this. I'll continue in this side. 25 minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 12. So answer will be 37 kilo we get. Okay, remember this is the pattern. If they give something like this, you have to do like this. They didn't ask the x and y value separately. What they have asked here? They asked the x squared plus y squared value. All things are clear? All nice? Right. Now put out the second one. This is a basic simplification. Carefully observe this. Now in this, you got all. If you this side is fraction. Therefore, if you want to subtract this, you have to multiply this by 3. This by 2, this by 2, this by 3. Then Putha, we will get here. Here you get 6x. Here 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. It means 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is how much? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Normally, 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Is equal to 1 over 6 kilo we can write. Then what can I do? Remember, if there are only multiplication and division, we can cut top numbers to top number, bottom numbers to bottom number. It means I can cut bottom numbers to bottom number. So this 6 and this 6 I can cut. So then the division next to this side, it become multiplication x. So this minus 1 will be here. So I can write minus 1 is equal to x, or x is equal to minus 1. It's a very nice question. Okay. Who got this answer? X is minus 1. Okay. Very good. These are basics. These should be like very good. Okay. Then only you can do the other stuff well. Please finish this. Mark these things. You got this one? Say right there, you please. Right. This is it. You have any one? You have any one, right? Then it's the one in by 8 to the. First time you are switch over packaging. Right. Now, say this part. Okay. I will give you the students whoever didn't get the unit 2 and 3 tute, I will give it to you. All right. Now I hope these things are okay. Now, Buddha, today we are going for the next step in logarithm. Right? Carefully, we'll see. Last week we did how to apply logarithm. Today we are going to do the other parts of logarithm. Okay, Chuttak will summarize the last week work of the logarithm. After that, we'll continue with the work. After that, we should be able to do a complete logarithm question alone. Okay. So we'll try our maximum to put this part to your head. Okay. But the last week we did like this. Last week I told if you write square root 3, under this 3 will become as 3. This is equal to 3 to the power half. If there is a square root that is equal to the power half kila, I told you. And last week I told if there is 3 inside and if there are 5 is here, we can write this one as 5 to the power. Since this is 3, I can write 1 over 3. And I explained this thing last week. And this one I wrote as 8. And if you write 7 inside the hook, this 7 is inside the hook. So if it like this, I told you can write this as 8 to the power 1 over 7. Anyway, this pattern, don't forget. Very easy. Right. And today's part, I'm going to teach you. Last week I asked you to try those questions and come. And Eka Chuttak will keep aside. And today we'll discuss another part. Right? So carefully see this part. Right? They have given solve the equation, not that. Turn to other one. Other page. Here. But see here, they have given log rules kila. They have given certain things. Log rules. Right? Log rules. Under this, I have given 3 rules. Out of these 3 rules, right? Already 2 rules we have done in grade 10. Only 1 rule should be added in grade 11. Okay, already 2 rules we have done in grade 10. So you can see first one. Okay, log A like this. Log A B into C I have given in brackets. And we gave the first rule of log is if you write log as a multiplication putta within the brackets way. If you're removing the brackets, it become as addition like log AB plus log C you can write this. So it means you are removing the brackets. If you remove the brackets, log A will be common for both. If it a multiplication, it will be as addition. For an example, if it log 5, if I write 6 into 3, how will you write this? Speak everyone. Log 5, 6 plus log 5, 3 we can write this. Okay, this is the example. This is the rule 1. Rule 2, that is very simple. Log A B divided by C. If you write as a division, if you write as a multiplication, it will come as addition. So if you write as a division, very good. It should come as subtraction. So I can write it like this, Putta. Log A B minus log A C we can write. Okay. If I give an example for this, log 6, we'll write 8 divided by 5, something like this. So how can we write this? Log 6, 8 minus log 6, 5 we can write this. Okay. Rule number 3. Putta, the third rule is this is n log AB. I have like that, no? AB, no? Right. Okay. Now, Putta, remember, if there are any number in front of the log, okay, when you're writing this, okay, you can write it like this. Log AB to the power n you can write. Okay, I have given like that, no? Okay. It means if there are any powers in front of the log, it means it is in the power here. Whatever power here, you can write it in front of the log. It means, for an example, if I write, if there is something like that, 3 log 5 6 scale, if something is there, how can I write this? Log 5 6 to the power 3 scale we can write. Okay, so that's the only new rule here. All right. The people who have the tute, you can write only this part, only these three things. If you don't have the tute, write this full thing. A tute I will give you. Don't worry. For what? To get a tute? Then take a call, no problem. Okay. Where's your friend? He went rowing? Right. Last year he was talking about rowing. Right. Okay. Right. මොකක්ද ආව කියන්න ඔච්චර වෙලා යන්නේ. Right. Okay. හරි. Okay. Now about the next one. Okay, now we got find the, carefully observe, this is the important part. Find the log value using the table. There is a thing. Find the log value using the table. Alright. Now this is not a big deal. Very simple work. Okay, find the log value using the table. First of all, can you tell me the log values what I have given there? Everyone should actively involve in this part. Okay. Right. But tell me the log values. I'll see and write. LG 34, LG 54.16. The students who are not having the tute, write this. LG 4.82. LG 4.82. Other one LG 4. Right, LG 4. Other one is LG 0.023. Other one is LG 0.000345. All right. Put under this one, find the log value using the table, and under this, write like this. I write a statement. We'll write a statement like this. Okay. Okay. Apply the password. Apply the password. Apply the password before opening the book. Before opening the book. Apply the password before opening the book. After that, write password equal to. Write password and put equal mark. Write password here, then put the equal mark. Password is equal to, right, number of movement of the decimal point. Number of movement of the decimal point till it reach after the first whole number. Till it reach after the first whole number till it reach after the first whole number. Password is equal to what? The number of movement of the decimal point till it reach number of movement of the decimal point till it reach after the first whole number. Hurry. Then you can write for the same password. When you have seen you write this decimal point. When if you are moving the decimal point to this side, password is minus. If you are moving the decimal point to this side, password is plus. It means if you are going forward, this side is forward from the decimal point. If you are going forward, password is plus. If you are going backward, password is minus. Just remember. Right. Now I will show you how to apply the password for these things. Carefully see this part. Very easy. Yeah? But what did I tell? What is password? The number of movement of the decimal point until it reach the first, until it reach after the first whole number. When you see for log 34, now observe this. Stop doing all the work. But under log 34, can you see a decimal point? No. Then where is the decimal point? Behind the 4. Very good. The decimal point is here. Okay. If it's not visible, you just put the decimal point. So is it after the first whole number? No. What is the first whole number here? 3. So I have to move one place here. So if I am moving forward, no, I said if I'm moving this side, password is plus. So I'm moving only one place, no. Then password is 1 point. I can write. Is it clear? Because number of movement. This plus 1, so just I'm writing 1. That part is clear? See this number? See this one? Where's the decimal point? It's already after the first whole number. So should I move this? No need. So what is the password? 0 point. Very good. The password is 0 point. Hurry. Come for this one. Decimal point is here. So how many places I should move? One place. Then what is the password? 1 point. Then put this LG4. Where is the decimal point? Decimal point is here. Then already it is in the normal place. No? So what should I put? 0 point I should put. Right. Come for this one. Decimal point is here. Are we considering 0 as a whole number? No. Until 1 to 9 only whole number. 0 we don't consider as a whole number. Therefore, if I want to bring this decimal point after the whole number, I have to move 2 places backward. If I move 2 places backward, what is the password? Bar 2 you will get. It means minus 2. This minus 2 normally, in normal pattern, we write the minus 2 like this. Normally we write the minus 2 in front of the 2. But in these numbers, we write the 2 above 2. Okay, they write this minus above 2. So we call this as bar 2. What 2? Bar 2. Bar 2. Right? This one, should I move this? Yes. How many places? How many places I should move? I should move? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to move 4 places backward. 4 places backward key. Okay, what is the password? Minus. No? Password is minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places backward now. What I should write? Bar 4 here. Minus 4. The password become bar 4 here. Okay, here only these things already when you are in grade 10. 1 point, 1 point, 0 point, 0 point, those things in the password. But this is the new thing you are learning for grade 11. When you're moving backward, it comes as bar numbers. Right? Okay. Very neatly write this. So you can hurry. Okay. First of all, when I make password, right? So I gave you sentences. Where's your tute? You didn't bring. Today no one has bought the tute. The tute na to then log kumbalan. So go and join with that family. Right. These people also, you have the tute. Very good. Yeah. He also doesn't have the tute. You have to get support from back row people. Not now, not now. When I want, I'll tell. First of all, write the password. Okay. This password part is very important. Hari. Okay, now the students who are having the logbook, or can someone give the logbook for these people? One row, one book, just to see the log table. Okay. You have a log table separately. You have a good. කොතනද පරණ බුක් එකේ තිබ්බත් අවුලක් නැහැ log table එකක්. That book has a log table, right? I have no gift that book. Take this book. No, no. Give. That is one. We will use that. You use that. That. Right. Harry. Okay. Now everyone got a log table. Aputa for that side. Sharing. Right. Okay. Hari. Now carefully this, because everyone should see this. That is very important. Hari. Now with the first one. Yeah. Hari. Now you have to see log 34 mean seeing the log table here. And now we are going to open the book. First of all, you have to put the password. Password part is clear. And look and see the log table and tell me what is the minimum value of the log? Log? How much is the minimum log? Log 10, right? Do we have anything log 5, log 6, and the minimum value in the left corner is 10. Or when you see here, what will you get? You will get only 10 here. The minimum value is 10. The minimum value is 10. Hari. Then Buddha, we can't see anything below 10. Below 10, now we can't see that. Hari. So everyone see log 34. How to see log 34? Everyone see this. Log 34 mean 34 here, 0 here. On the main line, everyone see this value. Everyone see that. What is that value? 5315. I thought log 34 0 should come as 5315. Nice. Next one. Everyone see this one. 48 2. Seen 48 2. Anyway, I'll tell the log. 68 30. Very good. Putha, then what should I see for this? Make it. Log 23. Everyone see 23 0. Okay, 36. Everyone see that. 23 0. Everyone clear? 3617. Okay, nice. Now come for this one. Here, what should you do? 5416. 5416 mean? In this part, 54. And you have to see 1 here. 54 1. Tell me the first 54 1 is how much? 73. 7332. Huh? 7332. 6 is the same line. You have to see the same line. Same line, see the 6. Same line 6 mean in the next column. Or they are separating a column like this. This 6 value you can see 5. Everyone okay? 54 1 is 7332. In the next column set, see in the 6 and that value is 5. Then what should I do for these two values? 7332 and this 5 I should add. Then answer is 73 37. Then what should I write here? 73 37. Clear? Everyone, nice. Putha, normally can we read something called log 4? Can't. We can't read a thing called log 4. Putha, remember if you have a number less than 10, okay, like something like 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9, if you have any number like that, less than 10, with a single number, like 4 kiyala, right? What should you do? You have to read this as 40. You have to tell this as 40. 40. You have to see for 40. See for 40. 40 0. 6021 you will get. Is it clear? Now all type of things are here. And the next part. What is the next one? 34, 5. And 34, 5 you get see the value. Huh? 5, 3, 7, 8. මෙච්චරයි. Clear නේද? All these parts are clear? Hi. So if I give you like around 3 questions to find the log values alone, can you do that? Using the password, first of all, you have to put the password. After that only you have to see the value. Can try now? Shall you do? Tell okay. Ah, right. Hari. First of all, write these values. I will give you only 3 more questions. And in 3 questions, struggle see the log values with the password. Struggle find this. Put the don't speak. Don't speak. Do the work. Training. Don't speak. Right. Okay. Now, okay. Now, let's start this part. I hope you would have got the correct answer. First of all, Buddha, what's the first thing we should do? We have to put the password. That's the very first thing we have to do here. Okay, we have to include the password. Put every single step carefully do this because this is very easy to get marks in exam because they have allocated nearly 7 to 8 marks for only for this part. Okay, to do this question using logarithm, a very big amount. Hurry, observe here. Right. What is the first thing you have to do? You have to put the password. Hurry. Now let's see the password. So what is the password for here? You can see the decimal point is here. Then you have to move how many places? 1, 2. Then what is the password? 2 point. Very good. Here's the decimal point. Here. What is the password? 0 point. Very good. Now the decimal point is here. You have to move backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the password? Bar 4. Very good. Hurry. If you have selected the password correctly, then you already are a successful person. Hurry. Now next part is you have to see 4317. Hurry, 4317. So 4317 see here 43, here 1. 43 1 is how much? How much? 63 45. 43 1 7. 7 is how much? 7. Then this 63 45 and this 7 I have to add. Okay, then if I add this I get 63. 52. I get 6352 KL, I will get the answer. Correct? Who got this answer? Okay, well done. Superb. Right? Nice. Here 8 nang. Can we see 8? Either we have to see what? 80. 80 is how much? 9 3 1. Here 46 7. How much? 6 6. Are. And HRI. Chupti seed negak. Right? If you can do this, very nice. Hare. Now, Puta, next part you have to see the anti-log values. If you know to see log values and anti-log values, bang, that is enough. And one more thing is there. If you want to do logarithm, your simplification should be very good. Simplification means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Retigat will practice today. I don't think we can do a complete question today, but we will put all the foundation, whatever important to a main question. Na? And we will develop. Puta, remember, we are developing your mathematics skills. Try to develop those skills. That is more important because you are not going to finish your studies now. And O level is just a part. O level, what should happen? Your concept should build. If your concept build only, what will happen? You will go for very good marks. Still, some of the students who have gone to university, they messaged me, sir, okay, did I show that message? Who got 100 marks in their university maths exam? Did I show you? A message. May class didn't we read that? නැද්ද? හරි. ඒක අපි read කරමු එහෙනම්. Okay, because they message not only one to even the people who recently went, they all said, okay, because some students now their term marks is 99. Again, the last this term marks is 99. Okay, Zahira College student. Another Zahira College student 98. Another MLC student 94. Like they have improved their marks to a massive level. Another St. Thomas Prep student 98. Most of our students, final exam, they have come for 90s. We give that what the gam mark we are giving. Okay. So that's actually we are happy. Okay, I will show that message. Oh, I thought I showed you. Minute. Wait. Nega. Long time ago, I showed in all the classes. No, this one. And this actually this child was a student from 23 O level batch. Now 24, 25. Sorry. Suddenly that child message after getting the university results. They went to university after O level directly. I think right. I will share this. මේකට share කරලා වෙන්නන්න. මේක I have shared. Ah. Hurry. Online, I guess the people who are in online, they can see this. Hurry. Okay. Who can read English? Everyone can read English, right? Everyone can read English, ne? Hurry. You can read no puta loudly. Hurry. අවුලක් නෑ. Okay. This no, you read. You can read English, ne? Okay. But in this, you can cut off these words. Just you read. No need to tell these things, and this one. Okay. No need to tell those. Without that, just read it. You know reading, right? Others you just see this. Other people. Read. Online friends, you can see this one. Hey, Ush. No one can hear. So this is only one thing. So I just gave this because what we are telling is try to improve your skill, again ability to solve problems. So that child got 100 out of 100 in the university maths exam. Okay, not O level. O level, that child actually started the class. Okay, that child said, so I'm very weak at math skill. That child started the journey. But finally actually tried hard. Now they are doing maths because their maths perception, the maths concepts actually changed. Earlier they thought it was very difficult because why mostly students they go away from maths. They don't choose a subject related to maths because they think it's really hard, but actually it's not. All right. So these people change. Okay, and there are so many people, so many things are there to tell, but I'm just showing one or two things only. Okay, just one or two things out of thousands, right? So this is only one thing. So likewise, Buddha, try to develop how to do these things. It definitely will develop your skills because your journey is not over. This is just a beginning. After that, you have so many courses to do, and you have to build up your foundation really well. Now you have to build up your qualification really well. ඒකට හොඳටම do that part. We will give you maximum support from any side. හරිද? Right, nice. Now anti-log part එකට will go. Right. In the anti-log part, so I'll give this one. I have given some questions here. I have given some questions here. And we'll go with the antilog. So the first one is 1.3210. First one 1.3210. Other one is bar 13210. Right? And other one 0.3452. And the other one bar 4.2587. Other one 3.2540. And the other one bar 3.9250. And in front of all these things, Putha, please write this word anti-log killer, right? In front of all these things, right? Anti-log killer, right? Okay, it's not written in it. Okay, in front of all these things, please write anti-log. Right. The students who don't have this may should write these values. After that, we'll see how to see this anti-log. Tagala, make it first. And the who are having the tute, and write this word anti-log. The anti-log word is not written there. Not like that. This who got class on Fridays? Who got class on Friday? Friday classes, people. You got classes on Friday. What's the class? Where? Whose? It's on Friday? Okay. Who are having classes on Saturday morning? Saturday morning. What's that? What time? Time? Okay. Where? Is that what time? 11 to 1. But that class is here also. Where? Stopped. Not doing now. Not doing anything. Eight. Hmm? No. I think I also didn't do. Not because of that. You guys? Full morning rowing. Friday but free. Rowing means like you go to water. Saturday is not water. Right. There's others Saturday morning also free. Classes. Have. Saturday free. Right, right. No, I was thinking whether to combine the revision, whether to combine the paper class with the theory and paper කියලා to combine together or to keep it separately කියලා I'm just thinking. Combine and finish it Thursday itself, like 5 to 8. What is good for you? Everyone, do you think that is good? One day. Huh? Like 5 to 8. That would be better. One day finish, no? Right. Okay. Hurry. Okay. Now we'll see the anti-log part. Hurry. See this part. Hurry. Right? Hurry. Okay. Now say this part. Observe this part, Puta. Listen. Now I have to write anti-log values here for these things. Now under this part, carefully see this, outright the anti-log value. Very easy. Whatever the number in front of the decimal point. Okay. This is the decimal point. Whatever the number in front of the decimal point, you have to write as 10 to the power. It means 1 means 10 to the power 1. 0 means 10 to the power 0. 3 means 10 to the power 3. Or whatever the number in front of this, you have to write as 10 to the power. Like this. 10 to the power minus 1. This become 10 to the power minus 4. This become 10 to the power minus 3. You will get this. This 10 to the power 1, this 10 to the power minus 1, this 10 to the power 0, this 10 to the power minus 4, this 10 to the power 3, this 10 to the power minus 3. Okay? Are these things fine? Okay, nice. But after that, whatever the number after this, and whatever the number after this, you have to see the need and have. Need and have me? Sorry. You have to see, where do you see 3210 in the log table? Just search for this number. Search for 3210. Search for the maximum closest value for 3210. What I need is 3210. What is available? 3201 is available. So can you tell me the place where it is available? What? 20 and 9. This is the place you have 3201. I am searching for 3210. Then 3210 minus 1 is 9. That 9 is another 9. Ne? Right? This 9 is another 9. That 9 is another 9. Not, both are not same. This 9 is, you need another 9. Alright? This 9 is the place. So check in the same level. Do you find 9? What do you find? 8. You find 8. Tell me the place. 4. You find that in 4. Then you have to find 3210 to the maximum closest value. Then we find this 3210 is available in 29.4 here we find. But when you are writing this here, when you come for this place, there is a way to write the value whatever you are seeing here. Either a place value you should write like this into 2.094 you should write. Again, if it's 29.4, you should write as 2.094. Again, you have to give the decimal point here and only you should write this. Remember that. Alright? When you are writing this value, how to write? Always decimal point should be here. We don't 29.4 here, 2.094 here only we should write. For an example, if you get another place like this, you find in 36, 5 කියලා, how will you write that? 3.65 කියලා only you should write this. Clear? Everyone? Hare. Then put this is 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 mean what is the value of 10 to the power 1? 10. 10 multiplied by 2.094 mean what will happen? When you multiply by 10, this value will increase or decrease? Increase. 10 to the power 1 is it will increase by 1 point. Then what will be the answer? 20.94 here you get the answer. Hare, come for this one again. Poddak chuttak come for this. 3210 ne. Same thing ne. That into 2.094. 10 to the power minus 1. And if you multiply by something by 10 to the power minus 1, value will increase or decrease? Value will decrease by how many points? 1 point. So I have to move the point for each side backward one place. So answer will be how much? 0.2094 kila I will get. Chuttak come for this one. 3452. Everyone taggala search. Need is 3452. Taggala find this. Everyone find this. Everyone find this. Put any doubt? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Taggala find for 3452. Everyone. Everyone find. What is the value? What is the 3400? 3444 only available. Can you tell me the place? 22 and 1. 22, 1. So I need more another 8. Ne? Do you have 8? Where do you have that? In 4? Then how should we write this? 22. I have to write as 22, 1, 4, right? I have to write this as 22, 1, 4 kila. I have to write this. 22, 1, 4 nang. How should I write here? 22, 1, 4 nang. How should I write it here? 2.214 kila I should write. If I multiply by 10 to the power 0, what will happen? 2.214. Same answer you will get. Putha, did you understand the pattern now? Is it clear how to get the anti-log values, everyone? So beautifully, chutta mark. There are 3 more questions to do alone. And you try to get the answers. Everyone try alone. And try to get those answers up to the final answer. Everyone do it. Okay. This, I now say this part. Uh, okay. Right. Did you get these anti-log values? Okay. Now we have to search for 2587. Alright. Sorry? What? No, I have. Yeah, this very good markers. So can't erase. Alright. Now next part. See what is this 2587? So this one need is 2587. Puta, can you tell what you got have is what? What do you have? 2077 only available. 2577. Can you tell me the place? Where is it available? 18.1. So we need how much? 10 more. Puta, do you have the 9? So how can you tell this? 1819? Ah, you have 9 in where? Ah, you don't have 10, you have 9 in 4. You got 9 in 4. So here you got 1814. So how should you write it here? Into 1.814. You should write 10 to the power minus 4 mean what, 11? You'll go how many places backward? 4 places. 1. 10 to the power minus 4 mean you have to see value will increase or decrease. If you multiply by a minus power, value will decrease. Therefore, you have to go 4 places backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places backward mean here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. Then you get what? 0.0001814. 3 zeros will come before this. That is clear? So here, what you got for 2540 into 1 point, what? Yeah, 1 point, 1 point what? 79794. Everyone correct? 794. Everyone. 10 to the power 3 not 11. 3 places will go right side. Then answer will come as 1794 KL. 9250 mean 8.413. 10 to the minus 3, it will go 3 places backward. So answer will be 0.008413 KL. Everyone clear now? See the anti-log values. If you have two numbers, you can take first or second, no problem. For which one you have like that? This one, like 8413 and 8414. Yeah, both are okay. Everyone clear about that? Everyone okay? All? The understood? You didn't get the values? You didn't get the values? Others correct? Right, nice. Hari, Puta, these things are okay now. But now I'm building up you to a log question. Na? So we did now so many log anti-log questions. Now, Puta, the other main part is simplifying part. At least you guys know to simplify normal numbers before going into log numbers. I good. Mangola number kiyan. Without writing this, tell the answer. You'll see your power. Harida. Can't write. Just addition and subtraction. Not multiplication. We'll see how many people will tell this answer. Harida. Can you give a pen? I will write this first. After that, I will forget the numbers. Ah, මේ number set එක. Online people also can try this. When I'm finishing itself, you should tell the answer. Addition and subtraction of double digits. Shall we? Shall we go? Okay. Ready. Now, carefully see this. 10 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7 minus 6 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. Answers? Answers? 3? 3 there. Who got 3? Right. Good. Again, this your brain should process. Miss Suna neda. Again, you should have a good concentration and it should process really well. Then you will get this answer. Shall we try one more? I said actually slowly. Yeah. Normally when you are trained like this, you don't tell like this. Actually, you say 10 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7. Huh? Abacus sunat, bobagus sunat, brain. It's just like single digit addition subtraction. Like you can try one more. They are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 numbers addition subtraction at once. You think another one. Ready? Try this. 5 minus 3 plus 6 plus 5 minus 10 plus 3 minus 8 plus 5. Huh? 3? This also? 3. Okay, well done. Okay, good. Your processing is good. Then I'll give some questions on the board. We can do this. Okay, this is just a trial. Okay, nice. Good, you guys are good. Right. If you can't do this bang, or if you feel like confusing wage meka, the meaning is like you guys are not focused yet. So chuttak be focused, then you also can do. Nice. The problem is this blue ink is, and the blue ink and the board has a very good connection. Okay, when I try to erase the blue ink from the board, it's not allowing. Board is not allowing to erase. Black ink and the board has a very bad connection. Sadaskal it get erased. Sorry? Whose one? Your one or school's one? Okay. Thanks. Right. If I write this, it will finish, Nabuta. Huh? Hari. Okay, Buddha. Observe. Now, Hari. Okay, I'll use. Hari. Observe. May. Buddha, in this part, there is a special type of number. That special type of number is known as a bar number. What is the speciality in this number? The speciality in this number is, Buddha, For an example, if I write bar 1.3567, the speciality of this number is, normally if you take a number, that number will be either plus or either minus. But when you take a bar number, the speciality is, when you take the decimal point here, the left side of the number is minus. The right side of the number is plus. It's like having a certain animals are there, like they have both the genders in one animal. Both the male and female gender both are in one animal. Him animals are in one either. Right? Okay. Tell me an example for that kind of animal. What? Was that animal? What? Snail. Snail is an example. What's that name? Yes. Again, normally, the best example is, easiest example is snail. Snail. Snail mean what it is in Tamil? Golubella. Right? Okay. Whatever. Tamil you say Golubellen. Right? Hurry. Then Sinhala you say Golubella, right? Okay. Then Golubella, like they have both the male and female, this one. This is like a Golubella. Okay? Right. Okay. Not Goluballa. Right? It's Golubella. Right. Because in Sinhala, Golu mean, the meaning of Golu in Sinhala. That is Golu. Mute nemei bang. Golu mean deaf or dumb. Golu mean what? Mute. Deaf is different, dumb is different. No. Deaf and dumb both are same. Synonym, deaf and dumb. Deaf mean who can't hear, deaf. Who can't speak, they dumb. But whoever huh? What? Dump ne bang එක මේක dumb. Deaf කියන්නේ normally if someone's ear affects mean bang they can't speak. Again, the people who has a problem with the ear, they can't speak also. Automatically connected. දෙකට එක තමයි deaf and dumb කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි. Who is deaf now? හරි. Deaf එක අපි ඒක එපා. දැන් මෙතන බලන්න. Right? Bar 1.3567 නේ. But I will say you want to add bar 3.7290. You want to add this. Hurry. If you add this, then what will happen? Just normally add. Okay. 7 and 0, 7. 6 and 9, 15. 5 and 2, 7 and 1, 8. 3 and 7, 10. Then 1 will come here. Then what one is this? This is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 and bar 3 is bar 3. And you can do this. I will give a second question. You try this. I will write from this pen. Try. Can see it? Can see it? He need it. Anyhow. Everyone try to get this answer. Sanas gala get the answer. Tattagala, wait first. Yeah, there bar number simplification there is a part no in the tute. And a chutte right. Page number 777. Simplification of bar numbers skill. Right. Ege hari book utana hari, right? Got the answer? Done? Very good. Who else? Done? But are you writing in a rough paper? Yeah? Why are you going from backward? Right. Hare. Then what will happen here? 1 and 7, 8. 6 and 5, 11. And then 3 and 6, 9. 9 and 3, 12. 1 remainder. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 2, minus 5. Then bar 5. Who got this answer? Bar 5, 2, 9, 1, 8. Alright. Puta, now I will give you a question. When I make question, first of all, you guys try this. Definitely you will get a wrong answer. Alright? First of all, you get the wrong answer. If you get correct for this, you're extraordinary, right? Again, I'm giving this, you should get wrong. My intention is you should get wrong. Alright? Wrong වෙන්නම කියලා තමයි එක දෙන්නේ, right? If you get correct, that is your talent. හරි. පුළුවන් නම් කරන්න. Shall I give? හරි. හරි. I gave this to make it wrong. හරි. Do it. All the best. The problem is not here. Calculator you can do. Right. 5 and 5. That's not there. We got it. Did you do anything good? Right. We have done this in school. Yeah. Good anyhow. Very close. Yeah, now is not. So this is good. Did you do this good? Did you do this good? Okay, shall we do then? Get something. Okay. Now say this part. Hi. Now you observe. Now stop everything. Now listen carefully. Shh. Hare. Observe here. Buta. See this. Hare. Now if you take this part, 8 minus 5 become 3. 3 minus 2 become 1. Here 6 minus 7 can't, so you have to borrow from 4. This become 3. 16 minus 7 become 9. 3 minus 5 can't, so you have to borrow from this. This become 13 minus 5, 8. Puta, then if you borrow from minus 3 will move for which number? Minus 3 will move for? Minus 3. Okay. You can understand. Puta, if you borrow something from 2 will go to which one? 1, right? If you borrow from 1 will go to what? 0. Normally, we do only up to this much till now. Grade 11 first term only you meet a number below this. Okay, something called bar. If you borrow from 0, minus 1. Normally, before this, what we have learned, or we can't borrow from 0 again, we learn something. But hereafter, not like that. Even if we borrow from 0, if you borrow from 0, what they will do? They take a loan from someone and they will give it to you. If you borrow from minus 1 become minus 2. Minus 2, if you borrow from minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3, even if you borrow, minus 4. So if you borrow from minus 3 will go for which one, Buddha? Bar 4. Can you understand that? Again, when you borrow something, it will go to the previous number before it in the number line. Understood? Okay, now this is minus 4. But when you are subtracting this, please be very careful. Why? This is minus 4. Minus 4, what is this? This is minus. Under minus you put here. And what is this? This is minus 2. That is minus 2. The minus and minus become what? Plus. Minus 4 plus 2 is how much? Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Okay, we'll get the answer. Saras gala. Minus 2, now what should we write here? Bar 2. Clear? Or I will give one more. Taggala do that. That is. We'll put like this, bar 5.3869 minus 2.9521. Is whatever I have given on the board. Hurry. Let Aggala do this part. Now, Buddha, the next part. Listen, 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 listen. Observe here. Hurry. I didn't do this, no? So what was the question? Bar 5. Tell. 1 8 3869 2.21. Hurry. Now we'll subtract this. Hurry. 9 minus 1 become 8. 6 minus 2 become 4. 8 minus 5 become 3. Then 13 minus 9 become 4. Point. When you borrow from this become 13, this bar 5 become bar 6. This bar 6 means minus 6 to minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 and minus 2 become bar 8. Minus 6 and minus 2. Minus 6 and minus 2 become minus 8. Correct? Right. Okay, these things are fine. Hari. Okay, 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 okay. Now, Narida. Now these things are okay, Puta. Now the next part is. Now the next part. Uh, we'll see now addition, subtraction. Okay, multiplication part. We'll see how to do the multiplication part in this. Right? How to do the multiplication part. We have to do multiplication. Right. Multiplication we'll do like this. Right. 9 into, right, bar 1.3845. Right. Tagal, everyone try this. Just do the multiplication part. This is not a big deal. This is easy. Now this part is okay. I hope everyone would have got the answer. May 9 into 5 is how much? 9 into 5 is 45. 4 remainder. 9 into 4 is 36 and 4 40. 9 into 8? 9 into 8 72. 72 and 4 76. 9 into 3 27. 27 and 7 34. 3 remainder. 9 into minus 1 is how much? Minus 9. That minus 9 and this one plus 3, no? Minus 9 and plus 3 is how much? Plus 6. Plus 6 now? I get 6 point. Plus 6 now minus 6. Plus 6. Okay. Minus 9 and plus 3. Clear? Putha, this basic simplification part should be very well. Then only you can finish the logarithm in a proper way. Mostly, most of the students, they miss logarithm because their simplification is not at good level. Hari. Now, this is the last part we are going for today. Okay, the division part. Hari. Most of the students can't do the division properly. I will tell an easy way to do the division part. Bar number division easily we can do like this. Carefully see this. If I write like this, bar 1.3865 multiply by 1 over 3. Carefully listen. Carefully listen this part. 1 over 3. So what does it mean? It means multiply by 1 divide by 3. Here multiply by 1 is ignorable. Divide by 3. That's only we are writing like this. Careful listen. Don't go to drink water now. Very careful this part. What you have to do, first of all, you have to write like this. First of all, you have to separate the bar 1. Second, you have to write 3865. You have to write like this and you have to divide by 3. Alright? Now carefully see this part. So when 1 is divided by 3, what will you get? Something like 0.33. When bar numbers, when you go to divide by 3, this is a minus number. Minus numbers mean it's very hard to deal with minus. Alright? Not easy as plus. When you are going to divide this minus number by 3, careful listen, this is only in this place. This minus will tell the 3, hey, what are you going to do? Then 3 will tell, I'm going to divide you. Then minus will say, hey, you can't divide me into pieces. Alright? I don't like that. If you want to divide me, we'll have to divide in whole values. We don't want to go in chutti point pieces. Ethoda 3 will telling it's the command, so I can't go beyond the command. I have to divide. Then minus 1 will tell 3. Sorry, we'll do something like this. I'll call some more people from our family. Sorry? I'll call some more people. Once they come, you divide them with me. Then 3 is agreeing with the deal. Minus 1, we can't divide by 3. This minus 1 should call some more people to divide by 3. How many people it should call? Another 2 more people enough? 1 only can't divide by 3. If 2 more people come, then altogether 3 people can be divided by 3. No, minus should call 2 more people. Minus should call 2 more minus. Another 2 minus will come for this as a purpose of division. When these 2 minus are coming back, these people won't come alone. Normally minus mean little girls වගේ කියලා. එතකොට when girls are coming, they come with their father. When 2 minus are coming, 2 boys also will come. When 2 girls are coming, 2 men also will come. When these 2 men come, they will tell, this is ladies' side. You don't come here. And they will tell, they'll ask this 2 to go and sit in front of this 3. Right? What will happen? This bar 2 and bar 1 all together become bar 3. Now bar 3 divided by 3. What is this new number? 23,865 divided by 3. Can understand what happened? Okay, because they don't love to, they don't want to divide into pieces. Bar 3 divided by 3 mean bar 1 buta. 23 divided by 3, 23,865 divided by 3 mean you get the value 7, 28 mean 9, 16 mean 5. Etra 5. Etra put a point here. Bar 1.7955 you get the answer. Is it clear? Are these things clear? Shape ne? I'll show one more example. When thing. Bar 3 you have 0.1162. Then 106 I am writing. The first what should you do? Bar 3 1162. This is divided by 6. This is divided by 6. When 6 going to divide by bar 3, what bar 3 will say? Oh, stop. What are you going to do? Then they'll tell I'll call more people. Then how many people should bar 3 call? 3 more people. When they are going 3 more people, another 3 more boys also will come for this side. When 3 girls are coming for this side, 3 boys will come and stand here. Bar 3 and bar 3 become bar 6 divided by 6. This becomes 31,162 divided by 6. Then bar 6 divided by 6 you get bar 1. Here you get 5. 11 and 1. එතකොට another 56 දන් ඕතන දාන්න පුළුවන් 6 into 954. එතකොට එන 22 නම් another 3 වගේ සෙට් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන් 1.5935193 කියලා එනවා. Is it clear division method එක? Division is චුට්ටක් different than the normal one. Other things are normal. Understood the division? එහෙනම් ඔය ටිකක් දාගන්න. All right, okay. With this, we will wind up. එතනින් කතා ඉවරයි. හරි. එච්චර. That's all for today. එහෙනම් with this, we'll come to the next class. Next class again, we will see how to do these things well. Hari. So we'll see with our next session. That's it.